Hey everybody, it's Cameron with Surfboards.com. Hope you all had a fantastic weekend. It's Monday for us, which means it is one of the busiest days of the week. We are already done shipping for the day. It was a great day for us. I think we sent out a little over 800 orders will leave our warehouse today, from today and this weekend. We got some new stuff in, and I just wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek behind the scenes of some of the new stuff we're getting in. So I'll set up the camera and show you what we got. As you can see, 4 or 5 boxes. They're smaller, so I'm guessing we've got some hats, if I had to guess, but we'll open them up and take a look. Got a couple more on my desk. All right, first box we got. Not always getting stuff shipped in the most convenient quantities. For example, this is just one pair of shorts that they threw in a box for us. Looks like we'll be expecting the rest of them in some other boxes, but first item coming out of the box, a pair of Oakley hybrid cargo shorts. So I'm going to set this aside so I can scan it and make sure we don't have it yet, but let's see if we got anything more exciting than that. All right, this one's a little more promising, a little heavier. This one's from DC shoes. And it's going to be symbols right here. Oh, cool. This is so most clothing brands, I mean, all of their shirts have titles and names that most people probably don't even really pay attention to when they buy something. They just see what they like and they purchase it. But DC, they do their star fill, it's called. So pretty much every season they'll release a few new designs, and it looks like this time they went with a really cool tie-dye. So that's going to be up on the website shortly, and that is the new DC star fill. I'm not sure of the exact color because they only show us the code, but it's a heather gray with some kind of cool tie-dye DC star fill. So that'll be box number 2, and that's all that's in there is the full size run of the DC star fills. So let's see what we got this week. Oh, flip-flops. We carry a lot of sandals or flip-flops, whatever you want to call them. Under Armour is one of our bigger brands, and they've got the Marbella Pros. This looks like probably some kind of black and clay color. Under Armour generally has some interesting names for their color combos, but can expect to see those on the website shortly. Marbella Pros. Let's see if I can actually get it from there. Marbella Pros. Awesome. Uncool thing, maybe you can see this when we're opening stuff up, is when the packing tape gets stuck to something inside, ripping open bags. Let's see here. Looks like they're camo stripe, if I had to guess. Yeah, the UA camo chest stripe. You can see just their standard Under Armour label, and then in the background there is just a, see if I can get that to show over the shine of the bag. Just a camo stripe across the middle. Let's see what else we got. Looks like a really similar, I think this is what they call their camo box. No, their stacked logo fill. So that's going to be the Under Armour dark gray shirt, and then the camo logo and camo stripe. Anything else in here? Looks like this might be completing some stuff we put up last week. If you saw last week's video, you'll have seen these shorts. Just some really funky board shorts that already went up. Now it looks like we'll have some more sizes of them. So here's box number 4. Yeah, one more Under Armour over there. A little tall for the camera. I'll try to move it back a little bit so you can see a little better. This again looks like at least some of it's going to complete our stuff from last week. Let's see if I can prop this up in any way. Maybe not. Let's see, more of the ABC Camo Box logo from last week. More of the ISO Chill blue camo stuff from last week. These are like performance tees, quick drying material. They're really nice for just being out on the water, fishing, boating, whatever. Let's see. It's more of these red walk shorts, the Fish Hunters, again, quick drying material, really solid shorts. I think we put these up last week as well. Let's see if there's anything actually new in this box. Looks like more of the same. Lots of this, sorry, the performance tees. Lots of the performance ISO chill stuff. Let's see, we got one more box down there. It is not Under Armour, so let's see what we got. Let's see, some Bull Riders. Some Ruka. What else is Ruka? See if I can rearrange a little, see a little bit. Stack up a little bit higher. Not perfect, but the box is a lot bigger. Back this out here. Looks like we're quite interesting. Hats, tees, some other sport stuff. Take a look. Alright. That's a little more like it. More than one item in a box. Looks like we got a handful of new hats. So let's see if I can give you a good idea of some of the new stuff going up. Like I was saying before with the styles, Ruka's no different. This is their station trucker, but they're always going to be releasing new colorways every year. So this is looks like either caramel or camel, depending on what they decided CML stands for. But just gonna cycle through some of these new ones. This is the new Ruka platform. Again, just a really nice snapback hat with the embroidered logo up front. I'm going to keep them in the bags just so they don't get dirty. I apologize for the shine. And they got their twill snapbacks. I was going to say ticket, but I'm guessing that's in here somewhere as well. Just a nice big old embroidered with the nice thick embroidery and contrasting color for the bill and the hat. Let's see what else we got. VA all the way. That's something you'll see in their brand for a lot of their stuff, is they always have their VA all the way version. Again, just a nice snapback hat, cool contrasting under the brim color, and a nice leather patch on front. Get some of these hats out of here. More for the twill, kind of a gray on black, which is a cool combo. Let's see. Another all the way, black and brown. And with the mesh trucker back. Other than the hats, it looks like we got some more sport vent tanks. These are going to be in like a maroon color, like a probably wine or mahogany, they'll call it. Let's see. Oh, sorry for the shaking camera there. And looks like the other style in here is going to be the box. Let's see. And let's see if I can show you without wrinkling up the shirt too bad. Let's see if I can find a different one. It's another one of their year after year styles where they just change them a bit. New mod fill style with a nice sort of floral tropical design on the chest. So anyways, that's what we got in today on Monday. I'm sure I'll have a lot more for you this week. Oh, and what do we got hiding under there? Surprise beach towel. Jesse B. Ruka has what they call their Artist Network program. I'll see if I can get that up on here. The ANP, you'll see the little ANP tag on stuff. They collaborate with artists, and you'll see on their towels, different than a lot of companies. They've got some really, really cool, really funky, really original designs. So this one, they give you a preview on the back. So just really an original towel design. So that's what we'll have going up on the website this week. That'll all be up probably by the end of the day tomorrow. So if you have any interest in any of that, check it out. And if you want to see the other behind the scenes stuff, just check out the rest of our videos this week. Thank you guys very much, and I'll talk to you again soon.